Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered what's out there? Beyond the clouds, beyond the air we breathe, lies a vast and mysterious place called space. Space is everything that is not on Earth. It's where stars twinkle and planets dance. It's where astronauts go on amazing adventures. Space is incredibly big. It's hard to imagine just how big it is. It's like trying to count all the grains of sand on a beach. Space goes on, seemingly forever. In space, there is no air to breathe and it's very, very cold. But don't worry, astronauts wear special suits that keep them safe and warm. Space is full of amazing things to discover, and scientists are learning new things about it all the time. Space is not just empty. It's a vast expanse filled with wonders and mysteries that have fascinated humanity for centuries. It's filled with incredible objects called celestial bodies. These celestial bodies come in various forms and sizes, each with its own unique characteristics and stories. These include stars, planets, moons, comets, and more. Each of these objects plays a crucial role in the cosmic dance that takes place in the universe. All of these objects together make up the universe. The universe is a vast and complex system that is constantly changing and evolving. Stars are giant balls of hot gas that give off light and heat. They are the powerhouses of the universe, providing the energy needed for life to exist. Our sun is a star, and it's the closest one to Earth. It provides the light and warmth that makes life possible on our planet. Some stars are much bigger than our sun, while others are smaller. These differences in size and brightness make each star unique. Planets are large, round objects that orbit stars. They come in a variety of sizes and compositions, from rocky planets like Earth to gas giants like Jupiter. Earth is a planet, and it orbits the sun. Our planet is unique because it supports life, thanks to its perfect distance from the sun and its protective atmosphere. There are 7 other planets in our solar system, and each one is unique and fascinating. From the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy rings of Saturn, each planet has its own story to tell. Moons are like smaller companions to planets. They vary in size and composition, and some even have atmospheres and geological activity. They orbit planets just like planets orbit stars. This gravitational dance creates a beautiful and complex system of motion in space. Earth has one moon, but other planets have many more. Our moon influences the tides and has been a source of wonder and inspiration for centuries. Jupiter, for example, has over 70 moons. These moons vary in size and characteristics, making Jupiter a fascinating object of study for astronomers. Let's take a closer look at the planets in our solar system. Each one has its own unique characteristics and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. As we journey outward from the sun, we encounter these fascinating worlds, each with its own story to tell and secrets to reveal. Mercury. This is the smallest planet in our solar system and the closest to the sun. It's a rocky planet with a very thin atmosphere. Despite its proximity to the sun, Mercury has extreme temperature variations, ranging from scorching hot to freezing cold. Venus. This planet is about the same size as Earth, but it's incredibly hot. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. The surface of Venus is covered with volcanoes and vast plains of lava, and its clouds are made of sulfuric acid. Earth, our home planet. It's the only planet we know of that has life. Earth has a perfect balance of water, air, and temperature to support living things. Our planet's diverse ecosystems, from lush forests to arid deserts, provide habitats for millions of species. Mars, known as the Red Planet because of its rusty color, Mars is a cold, dusty desert planet. Scientists believe that Mars may have once had water on its surface. Evidence of ancient river valleys and lake beds suggests that Mars might have supported life in the distant past. Today, robotic explorers are searching for signs of past life and preparing for future human missions. The sun is a star, just like the ones we see twinkling in the night sky. It's a giant ball of hot gas that gives off light and heat, providing energy for all life on Earth. Without the sun, our planet would be a cold, dark, and lifeless place. The sun is much bigger than you might think. In fact, it's so big that over 1 million Earths could fit inside of it. It's also incredibly hot, with a surface temperature of about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The sun plays a crucial role in our solar system. Its gravity holds all of the planets in orbit, keeping them from flying off into space. It also provides the light and heat that make life on Earth possible. Section 5. Mysterious black holes. Black holes are one of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in space. They are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Black holes form when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. As the star collapses, its gravity becomes so intense that it pulls everything inward, creating a point of infinite density called a singularity. Because no light can escape from a black hole, we can't see them directly. However, scientists can detect them by observing their effects on nearby matter. For example, as gas and dust fall into a black hole, they heat up and emit X-rays that we can detect from Earth. Section 6 Comets, the cosmic snowballs. Comets are often called cosmic snowballs because they are made up of ice, dust, and rock. They orbit the sun in long elliptical paths, and as they get closer to the sun, they heat up and release gas and dust, creating a visible tail. The tail of a comet can stretch for millions of kilometers, and it always points away from the sun. This is because the solar wind, a stream of charged particles from the sun, pushes the gas and dust away from the comet's nucleus. Comets are remnants from the early solar system, and they offer scientists valuable clues about the conditions that existed billions of years ago. By studying comets, we can learn more about the formation and evolution of our solar system. Section 7. Space is dark and quiet. Unlike on Earth, where we have air to scatter sunlight and carry sound waves, space is a vacuum. This means that there is no air in space. Without air, space is completely dark and silent. The vast emptiness of space is a stark contrast to the bustling, noisy environment we experience on Earth. On Earth, air molecules scatter sunlight in all directions, filling our sky with light even when the sun is not directly overhead. This scattering effect is what gives us the beautiful blue sky during the day and the vibrant colors at sunrise and sunset. But in space, there's nothing for sunlight to scatter off of, so it travels in straight lines and only illuminates objects directly in its path. This is why the sky appears pitch black in space even when the sun is shining. Similarly, sound waves need a medium like air or water to travel. On Earth, sound waves travel through the air, allowing us to hear everything from the rustling of leaves to the roar of a jet engine. In space, there's no medium for sound waves to vibrate, so there's no sound. This means that even the loudest explosion would be completely silent in the vacuum of space. If you were to shout in space, no one would be able to hear you, even if they were right next to you. This is because there are no air molecules to carry the sound waves from your mouth to their ears. The silence and darkness of space can be both awe-inspiring and eerie. It reminds us of the vastness of the universe and the unique conditions that make life on Earth possible. As we continue to explore space, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance that allows us to experience light and sound on our home planet. Section 8. Fun facts about our solar system. Our solar system is full of amazing and surprising facts. Here are a few fun ones. Jupiter is so big that all the other planets in our solar system could fit inside of it. Saturn's rings are made up of billions of tiny pieces of ice and rock. Uranus spins on its side like a rolling ball. Neptune is the windiest planet in our solar system, with winds that can reach over 1,200 miles per hour. Section 9. Why is space important? Exploring space is important for many reasons. It helps us understand our place in the universe and learn more about the history of our solar system. It also drives technological innovation, leading to the development of new materials, technologies, and processes that benefit us here on Earth. Space exploration inspires us to dream big and push the boundaries of what's possible. It encourages us to ask fundamental questions about our universe and our place within it. Moreover, studying space can help us address important challenges facing our planet, such as climate change and resource depletion. By learning more about other planets and celestial bodies, we can gain a better understanding of our own planet and develop solutions to protect it. Section 10. Space Trivia. What is the largest planet in our solar system? What is the hottest planet in our solar system? What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? What is the name of the force that holds the planets in orbit around the sun? What is the name of the first human to walk on the moon? Answers: Jupiter, Venus, the Milky Way, gravity, Neil Armstrong. Section 11. Conclusion. The final frontier. Space is a vast and mysterious frontier that continues to captivate our imaginations. From the twinkling stars to the swirling planets, There's always something new and exciting to discover. By studying space, we can unlock the secrets of the universe and gain a deeper appreciation for our place within it. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we can look forward to even more amazing discoveries and breathtaking images that will inspire generations to come. So keep looking up at the stars and never stop asking questions about the wonders of space.